My lovely family, welcome to Wendy Styles. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. Your first time here in Wendy Styles, subscribe to this channel. Be a part of this video by thumbsing this video, like hitting the like button, and also please hit that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. I appreciate everyone, the first timer, my returning subscribers. You all are welcome. Okay, you can see these are lovely stunning short haircuts for natural hair. There is a huge misconception that big hair is the best hair. Please don't get me wrong, but hair growth can be a beautiful thing for some people, but these short haircuts are hair that are celebrated every day. Short haircuts are just stunning. They are beautiful natural hair that are easy to maintain and lovely. There are no rules, neither standards or even ideas that should be following when it comes to how to wear your coils or your look with your natural short haircuts. So your coils are not confined to just a little box. So let's retire that notion now, because if you want to cut your coils into a buzz cut, a tapered fade, finger waves, a curly bob, the list go on and on, just do it. Seriously speaking, just do it, because change is good. Like when warm weather arrives, a fresh start with a new hairstyle feels like the next step. So if you've been stuck in a hair rut and feeling uninspired as to what to do with your coils next, consider making the big chop. I say it again, just consider making the big chop. I promise you guys it will grow back if you wish. But here are lovely 70 photos and styles that prove how striking short natural hairstyles look and the countless ways you can wear them. These are beautiful styles. You can see they are really mixed up styles. I added styles but from the teenagers, the lovely ladies, and our grandmommies, and the beautiful ones. You can see I added them, both those with the natural gray hair. So I really want everyone to really benefit from those beautiful styles. You can see this natural gray is either you can carry your natural gray as a lady's cut, or you can go to just simply low cut and you are okay. You can see the beautiful Anita Baker. This is natural gray. These are beautiful grays that our sexy mommies can carry. You can also, as a young girl, young spinsters, ladies, you can also have those simple cuts. You can even tint your hair to the colors you want. You can see our beautiful mommy. We have tinted hair. I think that's a gray hair. It's a natural gray hair. You can see how beautiful she looks. These are lovely styles to consider when you want to make your next hair. Okay, so just allow your short hair to flourish. Sometimes, like this beautiful one you are seeing, you can use your hands to finger coil each strand. Like you can see the previous video, like in my previous video, so you can see how the lady in the video used her own finger to coil her hair. That's why it's always said that low cut is easy to maintain and easy to style, because you don't need to go to the salon. You can just be right in front of your mirror. You may not even need a mirror. Just use your hand, bring out your hair, finger coils your strand for added dimension. You can even use a tiny one like to fitness the shape of each curl. Seriously speaking, and your hair will be looking so beautiful. Baby hair is always a good idea, like a tiny ratty comb and edge control pomade will do just the job you want. Okay, so these are really lovely styles you can do for yourself without stressing yourself without hitting the bank or going to an expensive salon. You can do it yourself. You can see the beautiful natural gray. This is beautiful. You already know this is beautiful because this haircut though is fit for a queen experimenting with different lengths, shapes and structure. We add dimension and a unique play to your cut. Okay, and you can see how beautiful mamas the way they work their hair. So don't be left out. Try each of those kind of styles. You can try just one and you'll be changing styles. You will see many will take because of you and start cutting their long hair, and they will start following your step by keeping natural short hair. Okay, so these are wonderful styles. You can see you can slick it back for an effortless styles that look just as cool. Okay, these are lovely styles that are beautiful. Okay, you can just do some little styles. You can see how beautiful mommy. Sometimes you can reach out for a spray like the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural spray. It's as cheap as anything, like for the $20. Those in the US, you can use it, and spray your hair, and you are looking so beautiful and dashing. These are wonderful styles. I really love those beautiful hair. You can see the vibe of this hair, especially when paired with some kind of blunt cut coils. Okay, these are beautiful styles that are great and will make it look so great with the short hair. Okay, you all are fantastic. I'm really appreciating you guys for your time, for your patience. So it's important to always embrace the texture at every length. You can improve your coil's definition. Trust me, it won't even suffer with a super short cut. If anything, like your coils look even more prominent. All you do is to take out those lovely styles and look your best. Okay, I really love those beautiful coils. This is beautiful together, and when worn with a kind of subtle deep auburn shade, it spices up your hair and make it look cool. Seriously. So finger waves, one thing with a beautiful big finger wave is that it never gets old. With any kind of hair color, in any kind of length of hair, it's always good to do your hair depending. Some you have to do your finger cut, all is just depending on the shape of your face. You can see most of the beautiful women here, their hair is according to the shape of their face because they style it. You can see longer faces are good for the Anita Bakers, and normal low cut like this ones are good for the round face, and so on and just so forth. So with natural styles, volume is the best friend. Like you can just go with some shaved size, like to show just how much a touch of volume can take your look to the next level. You can see this beautiful one. So take your time and look good. Take your time, because they say looking good is a good business. So it's good to showcase your beauty with its simplicity. Okay, I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. So always look so dreamy with your signature shortcut. Don't be afraid to go low with your cuts, okay? Because your coils won't lose life, and it will also complement your features so beautifully. Your coils will definitely complement your features so beautifully. Okay, I can do so much for you. I can do so much for you, but you're already boot up. I can do so much for you. So if you always want to look good, you want to look sexy, you want to look hot, you want to look great on your natural short coils, just consider these beautiful styles that are displayed here before you. Okay, thank you so much everyone. I appreciate you all for your time. I thank you also for your love. Thanks a lot, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, and see you all in my next video. God bless you all. Thanks for now.